Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad X8, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now, one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. For me, it is located right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can then tap on it. I'm going to turn off the microphone, which is enabled by default. It automatically starts recording, so whatever application you'll open up right now will be recorded. Well, that being said, if we open up something like Netflix, Netflix will basically show us a middle finger and say, no, you cannot do that, because applications for your security have control over your device and what you can do on it. For your security. So for your security, you cannot record the screen right now, even though it's technically recording. In a second, pay attention that there is a lot of content visible right here. Once we stop this and we go to our photos, where we can view our recording. You can see it right here under Today. We should also be able to find it under Albums by going into Screenshots or Videos. Let me check out in Screenshots. Do we have it? Yeah, we do have it in Screenshots as well. So here's the screen recording. And you can also see this grayish dot. That's where my finger was pressing, which is, as you can see, visible on a screen recording. And here's our Netflix, and all the content that was visible on the page is now no longer visible for your safety. So, that being said, there are shitty applications like that which apparently have control over your device, and just know you cannot do anything about this. If you encounter an application like that where you just get a black screen, I guess the only thing that I can say is suck it up, because that's what I guess it's expected of everyone. So I want to point out this feature, as in a feature of this blocking a screen recorder, is a good feature, just implemented incorrectly by a greedy corporations. So technically, this feature should be, for instance, used in applications like bank apps. So you have sensitive information there. You do need to put in your PIN on a screen. If you have some kind of malicious app that is just kind of screen pinning everything and seeing everything that you type in on your device, then they could get access to things like your bank applications. But with a thing like that, where it's blocking the ability to see applications like that, sensitive applications, you are primarily safe. Netflix is not one of those applications that falls under that category. And I'm picking on Netflix just because this garbage comes pre-installed with almost any tablet, but primarily any kind of streaming application will have this thing incorporated, and it probably also extends to other applications that I never really thought about looking into. So I do want to point that out. If you ever encounter such a thing, just know you can't do anything. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.